Equate First Aid Iodine Antiseptic Liquid, 8 fluid ounces. Product details. Equate First Aid Antiseptic is the reliable and affordable choice for first aid preparedness, whether you're at home or on the go. This antiseptic contains 10% povidone-iodine, which helps prevent infection and kills germs at the site of minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Clean the affected area, and then apply a small amount to the wound 1 to 3 times daily. This easy-to-use 8-ounce bottle comes with a screw cap that flips open for quick and convenient wound treatment, and it's easily stored in medicine cabinets, bathroom cupboards, and drawers. It's also a convenient size for backpacks, so be sure to take some with you on your next outdoor adventure. Making the right health decisions can be challenging. With a complete range of products and simple solutions, Equate allows you to take care of your family with confidence. Equate First Aid Antiseptic, 8 fluid ounces. Reliable and affordable choice for first aid preparedness. Helps prevent infection and kills germs in minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Clean the affected area, and then apply a small amount to the wound 1 to 3 times daily.